The wait is finally over, and the rumors that have been circulating across the Silicon Valley grapevine for months are finally crystallizing into something tangible, something that is set to redefine the very boundaries of what we expect from wearable technology in 2026. If you have been keeping a close eye on the recent patent filings and the deep-level supply chain leaks coming out of Cupertino, you already know that the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4 is not just a modest update or a simple spec bump. It is an engineering marvel designed to bridge the gap between a high-end luxury timepiece and an indispensable survival tool for the most extreme environments on Earth. We are looking at a fundamental shift in how Apple approaches battery architecture, health monitoring sensors, and the integration of satellite-based communication arrays that could potentially change the way we approach wilderness exploration and emergency response forever. To understand why this device is garnering such unprecedented attention from industry analysts and tech enthusiasts alike, we have to look at the transition from the iterative designs of the past few years to the radical new materials and internal layouts that have been teased in the latest development builds. Many are asking whether the move to a next-generation micro-LED display panel will finally solve the perennial issue of outdoor visibility in harsh, high-noon conditions, or if the internal processor architecture will finally allow for a truly independent ecosystem that no longer requires your iPhone to be within a 10-mile radius to perform complex analytical tasks. The stakes have never been higher, especially considering the competition from specialized Garmin and Coros units that have been chipping away at Apple's market share in the professional athlete demographic. We are going to dissect the precise launch window that has been identified through insider tracking, focusing on the historical production patterns Apple typically follows during the late third quarter, which aligns perfectly with the manufacturing surge we are currently seeing in the contract assembly facilities. By mapping out the component sourcing timelines, it becomes strikingly clear that the logistics chain is being prepped for an unveiling that targets the premium luxury market segment with surgical precision. This is not just about a gadget. It is about the prestige, the unparalleled tracking data, and the sheer audacity of a device that claims to be the only piece of tech you need when you're miles away from civilization, navigating treacherous terrain with only your wits and this watch on your wrist. The integration of advanced biometric sensors that have been rumored, specifically those capable of monitoring hydration levels and core body temperature via non-invasive spectral analysis, could elevate the Apple Watch Ultra 4 into a category of its own, turning it into a medical-grade device for the average consumer. This is a massive leap forward from the basic heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring we have grown accustomed to, and it suggests that Apple is positioning this wearable as the central node in a personal health management network that proactively alerts users before health events occur. We have gathered every verifiable piece of data, cross-referenced the analyst reports, and filtered through the noise to bring you exactly when this device will hit the shelves, what it will cost, and why the tech world is holding its breath in anticipation of this specific release date. As we move closer to the official announcement, the velocity of these leaks is only going to increase, and staying ahead of the curve is the only way to truly understand the impact this device will have on the future of mobile technology and personal empowerment.